In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a company logo to all slides in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or just need to ensure brand consistency across your slides, adding a logo can significantly enhance the polished look of your work. So, let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to click on the Windows icon located at the bottom left of your screen. This is how you'll access all your applications. From there, launch Microsoft PowerPoint. Once PowerPoint is open, you have the option to either open an existing presentation or start with a fresh one, depending on your current needs. Feel free to add all your photos, tables, and any other content before proceeding with the logo addition. This ensures that you have all the essential elements in place for your presentation. Next, you'll navigate to the View tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find the Slide Master. Selecting the slide. Master is crucial because it allows you to make changes that will apply to every slide in your presentation, saving you the hassle of adding the logo to each slide individually. Once you're in the Slide Master view, look to the left-hand thumbnail pane. You'll want to click on the very top slide in this pane. This is the Slide Master that affects all layouts in the deck. Now, on to the next step. Go ahead and move over to the Insert tab. This is where you will have the tools to add different elements to your slides, including images. Click on Pictures. If your company logo is stored on your computer, choose this device, or you might see it as Pictures from File. Navigate to where your logo file is stored on your computer, select the file, and click Insert. This action will place your logo on the master slide. You're almost done. From here, you can click and drag the logo to your desired position on the slide. It could be in a corner or centrally located, depending on your preference and design choice. To ensure that your logo is the perfect size, you can adjust it by dragging the corner handles. This gives you control over the dimensions while maintaining the aspect ratio of your logo, which is essential for preserving its quality. Additionally, if you wish to modify the appearance further, click on the Picture Format tab. Here, you can explore various formatting options, such as adjusting transparency, which could allow your logo to subtly blend with slide backgrounds without overwhelming them. And that's it! You've successfully added a company logo to all your PowerPoint slides, ensuring consistency and professionalism throughout your presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.